A brief history of IPC UK and Ireland region. We remember with gratitude the encouragement and blessings of the IPC leadership. To name a few, Pastor T.S. Abraham, Pastor Casey John, Reverend Dr. Wilson Abraham, and Pastor Casey Thomas. IPC UK and Ireland region was officially prayed and inaugurated by Reverend Dr. Wilson Abraham on May 10, 2008 at Bethany Pentecostal Church, Birmingham. Initially, we started with 5 churches, which God has now multiplied it to 23 and few outstation works. As we look back, we just have one thing to say: an unseen cord of prayers, love, endurance, patience, and fellowship of our brothers and sisters has led to the growth of this organization over the years. And beyond all that, there was the mighty hand of God working wonders in our midst as the pillar of cloud and pillar of fire. When trials and tribulations arose against the church as a mighty storm, Christ, who is the captain of our ship, didn't let his church to be destroyed, but grew in numbers day by day, bearing fruit in season like the tree planted by the streams. We now cordially invite you all to share in our joy of this 10th year anniversary of IPC UK and Ireland region.
ആലോചന അറിയിക്കുവാനുള്ള ഉത്തരവാദിത്വം ഈ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ദൈവം നമ്മെയാണ് ഏൽപ്പിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്.
യുവാക്കളും യുവതികളും വൃദ്ധരും ബാലരും ദൈവത്തെ സ്തുതിക്കണം.
The Father gives the invitation in the morning. Morning represents when we are alert, when we are strong, when we have the resources at our disposal. Evening represents when we are ready to retire.
നിന്റെ ആശ നശിച്ചു പോകുമ്പോൾ കൈവിടുന്നവനല്ല നിന്റെ ഉടയവൻ നിനക്ക് പ്രത്യക്ഷപ്പെട്ട് നിന്നോട് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്.